Welcome back, and here are your social studies assignments for that same first week of November, the 2nd through the 6th. So, we're going to start off with a Chapter 4, Section 1 quiz. So that quiz, it will be on Google Forms, and it will be over the reading from last week, not what is here listed below. It is not on this. It was on the stuff from last week. So remember, it is an open book quiz. Please, please, please use your textbook when looking for the answers, and please, please, please use complete sentences with proper capitalization and ending punctuation when responding in order to get full credit. So look for that on Monday, and you have all week to complete it, though it's probably easier to do it at the beginning of the week. So we have that. Next is the textbook or online reading, and that is section 2.1 through 2.4. This page reference is incorrect, but in the actual assignment, the page reference is correct. And what that should say is pages 98 through 105. So, sorry I didn't get that done. I will give you 5 extra credit points if you tell me that I made a mistake in an email to swaymeyer@edco.org. So there's a little bonus extra credit points that I didn't update the page numbers correctly. So posted on November 2nd, Monday, due by Friday. Along with that, not just reading, but there's questions to go along with it. Been pretty lenient this year, only been asking 1 question per section. If you want the full 5 points per question, you need to make sure that it starts with a capital letter and has ending punctuation. And if a question asks for a main idea about 3 documents, which it will in section 4.2.3, make sure that you're talking about the main idea of the document. Don't just tell me that this is a religious document. I know that. That is why I'm asking you about it. So I want you to give me the main idea. And so just a couple little tips and tricks on how to be as successful as you can with those reading questions. And then in class, we will be continuing the doodle notes. Please bring colored pencils or crayons or markers that don't bleed through everything. And because part of the coloring is part of the completion. And distance learners, I will post the PowerPoint, and how that works is if you'll have some blanks on a Google slide, and then on the presentation slides, everything written in red will be a blank that you need to fill in on your partially blank one. As far as coloring things, if you're a distance learner, that unless you are way more technologically knowledgeable than I am, I'm not going to worry about it. But it would be great if we could do some of the doodle notes. Next, Edpuzzle, more ancient Egypt. So if you go to Edpuzzle over here, you'll have this. You might notice that this is a little bit longer. It's almost 30 minutes. It's 27 minutes and 49 seconds. There are 11, I believe, questions, and they are all multiple choice. So please watch and rewatch the video. All of the information is there, and you should be entirely successful with that as well. I have faith and trust, and maybe even a little pixie dust, hoping for you. And then next week during Zoom classes, we're going to be doing religion in Egypt. And so much like Mesopotamia, Egypt was a polytheistic society. So polytheism is the belief in more than one God. And so we're going to be exploring that a bit more on your Wednesday Zoom. So if you're Zooming on Wednesday, that is at 1:20 p.m. If you are Zooming on Friday, that will be at 12:05 p.m. As always, contact me at swaymeyer@edco.org by email, or if you have questions in a particular assignment, you can feel free to post a private comment in one of those. And have an excellent week.